Breakups suck. There's no sugarcoating it. If you're watching this, you're probably dealing with that heavy weight of loss right now, wondering how to even start moving on. I get it. It feels like the world's crashing down, but trust me, you can heal from this. Today, we're diving into the first steps to overcome a breakup and start the journey toward healing. Ready? Let's go. The first step? Feel it. Sounds simple, right? But too many people try to avoid the pain, numb it, or just push it down. You have to allow yourself to feel it. You've lost something, and that's worth grieving. Whether it's sadness, anger, frustration, or confusion, don't run from those feelings. Sit with them. Allow yourself to cry if you need to. Scream if you must. Write in a journal. Let it all out. This isn't weakness. It's the first step to feeling stronger later. Next, you have to create distance, physical and emotional. This means unfollowing them on social media, taking down photos, cutting the constant reminders. I know it's hard, but trust me, you'll thank yourself later. You need to clear out the emotional clutter to make space for your healing. It's not about erasing memories. It's about giving yourself room to breathe. The more you keep that connection alive, the longer it'll hurt. And this isn't about being petty, it's about protecting your own peace. Now let's talk about the most important thing, taking care of you. When you're in the middle of a breakup, self-care feels like a chore, but it's non-negotiable. Start small, drink water, get some sleep, eat food that fuels you. Move your body even if it's just a walk around the block. When you take care of your body, your mind will follow. This is your foundation for healing. And the truth is, when you're physically taking care of yourself, you're reminding yourself that you're worth the effort. You've got to show up for yourself. Reflection is key. This is where the healing can get tricky. It's important to look back and ask, what did I learn from this relationship? What can I do differently next time? But don't get lost in the what-ifs. Don't obsess over every little mistake you made. Reflecting is about growth, not self-blame. This isn't a moment for self-hatred. It's a moment for self-improvement. Take what you can, but leave the rest behind. You can't change the past, but you can learn from it. Healing doesn't happen in isolation. If you're struggling, reach out. Talk to your friends, your family, or someone who understands. Don't keep all that hurt bottled up. Sharing your emotions with people who care about you isn't a weakness, it's strength. Let others help carry the weight. You don't have to go through this alone. And if you need professional help, don't hesitate to reach out to a therapist or counselor. There's no shame in asking for guidance. Finally, here's the truth that people don't always want to hear. Time. Time is your greatest ally. The pain will fade. Slowly but surely, you'll heal, you'll grow, and before you know it, you'll look back at this moment and realize how far you've come. Time doesn't heal all wounds instantly, but it does help. So be patient with yourself. Don't rush the process. Healing takes as long as it takes, and that's okay. You're going to be okay. So those are the first steps to overcoming a breakup. It won't be easy, but it will get better. Be kind to yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need it. You're not alone in this. Stay strong, take care of yourself, and trust that healing is coming.